Hello, guys. Welcome to Atlanta Dream Life. We are glad you're here to be on this journey with us. We are very excited to get started and break down. Here we are, guys, finally clearing the lot. We are so excited to start this journey, and we are so appreciative of you guys joining us. As you can see, it's a huge lot. So I think it's about 2 acres. Lots of trees, as you can see. Most of them were like dead already. So a lot of cleanup with that. But yeah, it's a lot of trees, and as you can see, we have the excavator right there, just grinding out and pushing down those trees. As you can see, so nice to see them falling. That's a nice experience. But that's what we do with us, clearing the lots. A lot of tree roots, because as I say, you got to go underneath and remove the tree roots and then push the tree down. That's what the excavator does. And as you can see, the excavator is working very hard, cleaning up all these trees on this lot. And that's the thing about clearing the lots. We saw a lot of snakes also. But, and here we have also the other machine, the bulldozer coming out. So as I said, working together in sync, as one pushing down, the other one is just pulling the logs and the tree out of the way so we can make a pathway for cars to come on in through. But it's very excited to see the trees falling, to just be out there and just have that experience of just clearing the lots.
Not really, because look all this. He has to push all that. That's a lot. Yeah, it is. Ooh, that's... Oh. Well, something happened. But it shouldn't be making that noise. No, it didn't. Because maybe it's like walked. Might be walked. Yeah, they have a whole bunch of noise. They're literally flattening it out, because when they tried it, but they still have to bring another machine here. You see how that little tree just bring that whole thing up? Usually these big machines, nothing will affect them. But little things like this little tree. Wait, one! This little tree, that thing is flipping over. Yeah, he's that different types of wood in this land. Yeah, that's red, that's this is like brown, this is dark brown. Some of it might be like that, might be because it rained last night. Oh, he's scared. Oh! Woo! Oh, I got two of them. Woo! Oh! Woo! Oh, wow. Oh, shoot. Oh, you gotta have to do it quick. Just go back to back. Ooh, you saw that. Alright, that's enough. Oh, wow. Oh, he's spinning that one. That was a big one, though. That was a big one, right? Yeah, that was huge. Alright, I knew it was just gonna video that last one he did that one down. Oh yeah, they dole him up.
And here we have also the Bobcat, the tree removal contractor using the Bobcat to, as I said, to move away the tree limbs. So as the tree fall down, you separate the roots from the tree, and then you chop them up into pieces so you can take them to the mill. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of process. I'm learning, as you go through here with the machines. It's just, as I said, this is phase one, where it is clearing the lot basically and using these huge equipment. So one thing is to remove the tree from the ground, and then it's to haul it away And then so you gotta break it up, or some people grind it, some people chop it up, so it can be used for the the wood mill.
That's what they move everything that way.
But as you see, it's very busy here, and you hear the noise in the background. And with the kids and everybody's so excited to see the tree falling. That's the most amazing part of it, I guess. And it's actually to see live in person.
No, it's still over there. Oh, it just dropped.
Okay, as you can see, we're still in the tree removal process. As you can see, the excavator is still working hard. And we're still going through, as I said, lots of trees still remaining. And this takes like a couple of weeks just to clear a lot, as I said, to clear it, to get the trees falling, and then to remove them and haul them off a lot. That takes a while. So, as I said, we are appreciative here, you guys joining us, and we look forward to seeing you guys back again. Please like, subscribe, and share. And as the second phase, we're going to phase 2, where we're going to be grading and prepping the land, getting ready for the basement. Thank you, guys. Hey guys, here's a video, a little snapshot of the snake that we found in the